Hello guys and welcome back to Game Plan Headquarters. We're playing Pygmalien. Let me tell you what happened this game. So we played the normal square board, using the crook to give all medium items extra damage. We also had this skill, giving your left and rightmost weapon damage equal to their value. And that's when this happened. Flamethrower would be hilarious. Played flamethrower instead of longbow. Nah, instead of flail, right? Actually got it as well.
Ah, Pygmalien. Staying out of trouble, I hope.
You don't have any tools. This is a tool, I guess.
Thrills, risk,
Whatever.
danger. This is what we were missing back home.
I'll actually give the flamethrower a little bit of damage here. Okay, 20, can we sell? We could sell this little booger. This makes the damage. Let's get some region. And let's go.
I should warn you, I'm not like other Jabalians.
Increase the value on this.
Send me your huge items. Price? Don't care.
This is 300. We could make this 500 damage. If we play belt. So we gotta remove this. We gotta keep the crook. Do we sell the regal blade then? Guess we do.
I'll take it, I guess. Fine, here's some gold.
It's a little bit more gold damage than the other way around. We don't have any life steals, so I don't think we go Death Knight Reaper. Right? I think we go Duelist. Now let's go Reaper. It's so much golden experience. And Scythe is good for us as well. This could be interesting. This is probably better than the Lion Cane for now. Right? 10 seconds. Ah, this is probably better. Do we really want skill upgrade here? I don't think so. Skill upgrades are shit. So let's get the help.
Ah, a friend. I mean, a customer.
No, I'll pass.
Maybe I'm not cut out for business.
My dreams
Okay, let's look if Lion's Skin is
are
better.
for you to steal.
30%
My fight
in
is
10
with
seconds
you.
is
But if you insist,
basically 1000 damage in 10 seconds. But this is 800 in 6.
you've got talent. You should put it toward nobler use.
I think we upgrade the Flamethrower.
Moving up in the world.
Double burn.
If I don't have what you need, I'll help you find who does.
This would get a
If
lot
it's
of
not
gold.
right for you, bring it back. I want you to be happy. Just toss that on my back, and I'll trot it to your door.
Enchant an item with burn effect. Alright. Thank you very much. It's gonna get more damage as well. Gets more value. Wow, this is crazy now. Holy.
I assume you're here to give tribute.
I guess need to charge it at start combat.
I have many enemies.
Crook doesn't really do much for us now. We just need to charge the Flamethrower.
I did not seek this power for my own gain, you know. I seek it to share.
We don't really care about properties. No. That's great. That's great as well. Okay. If we could rack up 170 damage, this would be better. I mean, if we could rack up 170 gold, we would double this damage. This is damage.
All
So we're
it
gonna
was
go for
right.
quick.
You are a quick study.
Increase the value.
Just close your eyes and grab something.
Move it back. Buy.
Forms by rusty circuits
Sell.
to see that find a home.
When you sell out of this game's value. Okay, how much HP do we lose if we do like this? 62. 12% burn, though is pretty good.
Trash is tragedy. Reuse everything. Well, you're doing your part to clean up the bazaar.
Actually, this is gone.
Hooey! Now that's a bargain.
Skill upgrades. We cannot upgrade the retooled, so I guess we just go for damage. I mean, we don't really care about this, right? 4.9 or 4.3. I think it's 4.3. Play like this.
You do see these tusks, right?
Yep.
Nothing tiny, nothing huge. All about moderation.
I'll pass. I'll pass.
Every item finds its buyer. It's a relationship, you know?
I think we go a lot of wastes
The
here.
desert wind is warm perfume.
This would be very good.
Your strength is beautiful.
Pendulum, please. Damn. Nice. Okay, let's buy gumballs then.
My people believe in peace. Boring!
So we burn for 1.6k. That's nice. I guess we'll go gumballs again, just for the crit. It's one crit. Okay, so what item do we want to upgrade here? Guess we go for belt for more health. This is a little bit more damage, but I think the health is more valuable here. Could go 3% CDR as well.
Now that's quality!
You've just taken the first step toward good taste. You're a smart one for your size.
Don't really care about these. Cannot go here. Guess we go Trash Titan then.
It's all about motivation. You gotta know what you're fighting for.
Let's grab some value.
Who enters my web?
This is not it, right? No. That's a lot of slow, but we don't have non-weapons, so that's
Savor
excellent.
A single second.
Play like
See
this.
it
We
from
put this
every
here.
angle.
Kinda wanna use this here then. Yeah. Okay. We don't want to use this. Let's just grab some health. I mean regen. Okay, so this is it. Fire Flamethrower. 1.7k burn in 4 seconds.
Are you sure? Have you noticed I'm huge?
He's gonna scale, but he won't scale in time. That's a lot of damage though, because he has some starting shield. That's not good enough though. Look at the burn. So there you have it guys, 10 win with Pygmalien Fiery Flamethrower.
You